Hello everyone, this is Abhishek AS from VIT Chennai from the Department of School of Computer Science and Engineering. So I am here to talk about environment variables for time and date on Linux. So let's see the contents we are going to see. First one is epoch time and next is GM time and next is local time and C time and STR finally STRFT time and STRP time. So first one we are going to see is epoch time. So epoch time, what is epoch time? So, since the creation of Linux, which is created on 1970 January 1, the times in the Linux Unix systems are measured as seconds since then. So from 1970 January 1, the time is represented as a low level time value, which is the epoch time, which is measured in seconds. To represent the low level time value, the C library function has an inbuilt function, which is time hyphen t, which is a data type of time, and a time pointer seconds, which returns time since the epoch. Epoch means the starting time value measured in seconds. The definition to use a epoch time, where the definition is time underscore t, time underscore t, time of time t and a time pointer value, which the pointer values of time underscore t data type. So to use this data type, we have to include time.h. So let's see the implementation of the same of the epoch time. I'm using VS Code to show implementation of the epoch time. So we need to add necessary header files as mentioned. To use time underscore t data type, time t data type, we need to add time.h and the other standard C libraries we have to include it. So in main function, we can see the first line is given as time underscore t epoch time. Time underscore t is the data type value, which is typed of long time t, and epoch time is the user defined value which I have given, and the time of time t pointer into 0. What this basically means is this is the time pointer t. If I highlight the time function, it will return as time underscore t, time of time t pointer timer, which is the underscore timer is the pointer of time t data type. So it is a pointer. So to view the current time, I have to make this one as a null pointer, which we have to return the null value. So by giving time underscore t pointer, we can give any pointer, let's say p or anything. So if I give it and multiply it by 0 or reference it by 0, it will convert it as a null pointer. So how the compiler will take it as a time of null. This is how the compiler will take it. After the compiler changes it to a null pointer, it will store it in the epoch time, which has a time value since the seconds which measured from the January 1, 1970. So let's run this file. So to run the C file, we have to give command gcc epoch.c -o epoch :/epoch. So epoch.c is a file name, and I have stored the output in the epoch to display it, and I used a ./epoch. So the output is, the epoch time is 16211 something. So this is a very huge. If you don't understand it, let me copy this value. Right. Shift to C, and this is a converter for epoch time value to current date. So if I convert it, it will show the current value. So GMT value is Sunday, May 6:10 to 6:10 a.m. So my time zone, I am from India. So it will show my current time. So May 16, 11:40. See, now time is 11:41. So I have executed command 1 minute ago. So 11:40 to 28 a.m. So this is how time was measured since the creation of Linux. Unix. So this is the explanation of epoch time. So next we are going to see GM time. So what is GM time? Since epoch time is measured in seconds, cannot be easily understood by everyone. As you can see, the value of seconds is huge, and we can't interpret anything from the second. So to represent the low level time in a meaningful way, standard time functions were created. The function GM time breaks down a low level epoch time value into structured data type containing more useful fields. The GM time shows the GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, of our location. So the definition of GM time is, so basically GM time function has a structure pointer. As you can see, struct TM, pointer GM time, constant time T, time val. If you have understood the epoch time, you can understand the parameter of the GM time, constant time T underscore time value. This is the data type for epoch time. So GM time takes epoch time as a parameter, and it will store it in the structure TM. So let's see the implementation of GM time. So let's first let me execute the code, and let's understand the code little by little. So to execute the code, we are using the command gcc, as I done before. So the raw epoch time is 1611, as I shown before. So GM time function returns, wait a minute, yeah, this is the correct output. So the GM time function converts the epoch time and shows the date is 16/5/121. So 121, what is 121? I will say in few minutes, and when I explain the whole things. And the GM time is 6:14/4. So GM time of our location is this one. So now the GM time, Greenwich Mean Time, is 6:40:33, which is absolutely correct. And the date of today is 16, and the month is 5. So what is 121? Since the Unix time was measured from 1900, it will show the year from the 1900s. So if we add 1900 plus 121, we will get 2221, which is the present year. So this is the explanation of 121, why 121 is present. So let me simplify down a bit. Toggle, yes. So this is the epoch time definition, like to get epoch time. So to use GM time, we have declared the structure TM with the structure time pointer, TM pointer, and this is where GM time is used. And with the, as I have said in the definition itself, the GM time takes epoch time as a parameter. So given epoch time, address of epoch time in the GM time function, so which will be stored in the TM pointer. So to print the output of epoch time, I am using printf function. So to print the date and time, we are using the structure fields in the TM pointer. Let me show you the table. So the structure TM pointer contains these many members: TM sec, TM minutes, TM hour, TM MD, and every member has a specific uh, rule or use. TM6 will show the seconds, TM minute will show the minutes, TM hour will show the hours, TM day will show the day in the month, TM mon is a month in the year, TM year since 1900, TM weekday, day in a week, TM day in the year, TM is DST, daylight savings in effect. So to understand this printf statement, so first we are saying date is colon, and we are saying percentage to 0 to d. So what is 0 to d means, if the value is, let's say, 9, so instead of displaying it as a 9, we will display it as 09. So if the hours, if the value changes to 11, if we give it as a d, it won't print for 9. So this is why they are giving 0 to d. So time pointer dot, since time pointer is a pointer, so time pointer arrow TMM day, which is the member of the time pointer. So TMM day is a day in the month 1 to 31, which will be displayed in the first parameter, and time pointer TM month plus 1. TM month is a month day, like a month number. So TM year is the year, which year, like yes, see, year since 1900. As I have said before, the GM time will take from the epoch time, year since the epoch time, century. So GM time is time pointer, TM hour will return the hour, what is the hour, and TM minute will return the minutes, and TM second will return the second. As you can see in the hour value, it will show the definition also. So to in this to printf, we cannot see all the value. So to display all the, to show all the members, I have created a printf statements. So let me uncomment it. So when we execute it, wait a minute. So yes, so this is the epoch time, and the other members of the struct TM are listed below. I have created a separate printf statements for it. So the present second is 10, and the present minute is 19 under the GM time, and hours is 6 hours. As you can see in the GM time, 6:19:32. The minutes is 16. The day of month is 16, and the month is 5. Year since the epoch is 121. So current year is, we need to, as I have said before, I will say what is the reason for showing 121. This is the reason. 1900 plus 121 gives you 2021, which is the present year. So day of the week is 0. Since Sunday is measured as the start of the week, it will show as a 00, and the day in the year is 135. From the start of the January 1, it will show how many days have passed now. 135. Daylight saving time is the it will show daylight saving time. So that's it. This is how the GM time works. So next one is local time and C time. So local time, by replacing GM time function by local time function, we can view the time zone and date according to our local time zone. So definition of local time is, instead of same thing, but instead of giving GM time, we have to give local time. So in order to view our local time, so we are giving us local time as a keyword. So the two codes are the GM code and local time code is very identical. Only difference is, instead of GM time, we are giving as a local time. So if we run the code, it will show the same thing, but the local time is 11:51, which is now. So this is the same thing as a GM time. So if I uncomment the time, local time also has the same time pointer, which will display other which will display its other members also. Let me comment this lines. Let's show some here. TM pointer. So it takes other file as output. Yes. So see, this is the local time output. So the seconds now is 20 seconds and minutes is 52, as you can see, and the hours is 11 hours, and day of the month is 16, and the month is 5, and the years and day of the week are same as the local time, GM time. So this is the local time. Next you are going to see what is C time. C time function calls time to get low time value. Let's C time do all the forward and converting into readable string. So what the developers thought is, instead of going through the tedious process of converting into a structure time pointer, they have created another inbuilt function, which is C time, which takes epoch time, which is time t underscore data type as a parameter. So let me show the implementation of the same. So this is the C time. So as you can see, this is the definition of epoch time, and very simple. The C time will convert the epoch time into human readable string. Let me execute the file. As you can see, the data time is Sunday, May 16, 11:53, 49, 21. So this is the very standard time to standard way to display the time, which automatically converts the epoch time into local time value into human readable string. So next is strp time, strft and strp time. So to gain more control of the exact formatting of the time and date strings, Linux and modern Unix systems provide the strft time and strp time function. The definition of strf time is this one. This is a size t data type. strf time takes character s as a pointer, which is a string pointer string, and size t as a max size, which is the data type, and a constant char string format, pointer format, struct time pointer, which is the same as the GM time and local time. So let me show the strft time as strft time strft implementation. Let me uncomment these things. So first things first, let me show you the implement declaration of the strft time. So first we need to initialize the epoch time, and we need to define the necessary header files. So this is the epoch time, and the second one is structure time pointer, which will convert the epoch time to local time, as we have seen in the local C time code. And what strft time will do is, it will take the TM pointer and converts into a specific converts the buffer, which is this is a buffer, which converts a buffer into a specific way. Let me show you the output first, and you can easily understand. So TM pointer has everything which is local time value. It will convert the buffer, which buffer has the all values. It will store the buffer, and the strft time will store the buffer in specific way, like percentage %a is a abbreviated name for weekday, percentage %d is the week number, sorry, month day. So percentage %b is the abbreviated full form of the month, and the percentage %i is the local time, hour time, and the percentage %m is the minutes, and the percentage %p is the AM or PM. So it will automatically convert the TM pointer into in a more readable way. We can give anything. We can give anything for the conversion specifier. Whatever loss is, as you can see in the declaration, character pointer, we are automatically the string buffer will take this as a character pointer, and the size of the buffer is 256, and this is the format string which is used to convert the TM pointer into a specific way. So there is a lot of conversion specifier like percentage %a, small percentage %b, everything. Let first if we learn strp time, and we can see other conversion specifiers. First let me comment these lines. So we are going to see strp time. So what is strp time? So strp time forms a result according to the conversion specifiers. So this is the conversion specifier. This is the my birth date. I have given it as a Saturday 11 November 2000. Let me show the definition first. Sorry. So the definition of strp time is strp time constant char, same thing, but we haven't given the size of the buffer. It will automatically take it as a buffer. So this is the I am defining a string called Saturday 11 November 2004:20 AM, which is my birthday. So if I want to display this string, this date and time value in my own way, I can do it with the strp time value. So this conversion specifier takes these values and display it as a in its own way. Let me show you the output. So calling the strp time with this user defined value Saturday 11 November, and the strp time converts the given date and time as 11/11/2000, which is 11, November is 11, and 2000 is represented as 00, and 4:20 AM is represented as 04:20. It will convert the user specifiers into the time pointer, which is the GM time. Like it is a kind of opposite of strft time. So this is the basic definition of the strp time. It will convert the buffer which formatted buffer into time pointer. So this is the strp time. So if we want to see the other conversion specifier of strf time and strp time, let's see. Let me comment out these lines. So how the strf time and the strp time works? As I said before, strft time converts a local time buffer according to the conversion specifier and stores it in the buffer. strp times convert the formatted time buffer into its own conversion specifier and stores in the result. The conversion specifier or strp time is same as the conversion specifiers of structure TM, as I said before. The conversion specifiers of strp time and strf time is like this table. So we can represent the time in more sophisticated way. So let me show you the output. So let me run the code. So I can't show it a single video itself. Well, let me use the terminal. So this is the code. So let me show you the code. So other conversion specifier of strp time and cprp time are listed below. So this is the conversion specifier. This is the percentage. This is the percentage specifies the conversion specifier starting, and the percent a, small capital A. These are the representation in the table itself. As you can see, percentage A, small a is abbreviated weekday name. Percentage capital A is a full weekday name. So in similar way, I am displaying all the values in the table in a more meaningful way. As you can see, the full weekday name is Sunday, abbreviated month name is May, and the full month name is May, and the date and time representation is of local time is Sunday, May 16, 12/1/14/2021. Day of the month is 16. Hour in 24 format is also 12, and hour in 12-hour format is also 12. So day of the year 136 from the start of the January 1. Month as decimal number, so 05 with the 5th month, and the minutes is 01, and the AM or PM, which is PM is 12 PM, seconds is 41, week number with the Sunday as start of the week. So week number with the Sunday, as you can see, this today is Sunday, so it will add the weeks to the weeks and show it as a 20. So weekday is 0 since Sunday is the start of the week, and the week number with the Monday start is 19. Since Monday is starting tomorrow only it will show it as 20 for week number with the Monday as start of the week. So date representation is 5/16/2021, and we are basically separating the date and time representation in different way. So in a meaningful way. Date representation is 5/16/21, time representation is 12/1/41, and the year is 21. The last two digits 2021, just 21, and the year is 2021. The time zone is IST, and the year is 21. So this is the other conversion specifiers of the strp time and strp time. So this is of the environment variables of time and times in Linux work. So if you want to use these date functions in the Linux, we can use date function, and if we use this command as like this, it will show. And if I want to show the date in a more meaningful way, we can give date command like this, and it will show Sunday, May 16, 12:24 PM. So if you want to customize more, you can give date -help. As you can see, the Linux kernel itself shows how we can use the date function. So this is how the date function is the Linux kernel. So these strft time and strp time are given for the how we can use time in C code, but date function is given in the Linux kernel itself. So same thing as I have said before, for strp time, percentage is abbreviated big name. It is same for date command also. So this is how the date environment variables for date and time function works in the Linux. Thank you.